Yung kakaliwa, Tanakaya, Manila na.
San Jose, this is their way. See,
Ay,
iba,
bakit pala?
Manila yun. Iban is diretso.
Yeah.
Back. Manila.
Doon pala kuya yung resort.
Saan?
Nakalagay doon, may araw.
Ito,
Welcome to Villa Marine Resort.
Oh, ito naman Villa Resort.
Ay, marami palang resort. Hindi ko alam.
Bigla ko sa
Kala ko isa.
Resort, this one is goes to the ocean, to the sea. Sa dagat.
Well, hindi.
Parang
Malayo-layo ang ocean, but may mga resort
This
daw.
town is fun.
Ayun ay new. Narinig ko lang sa class dito. So,
it's not expensive.
They're not expensive.
Expensive because it's fun.
nakalimutan ko talagang sabihin. Naka-distract. Scary.
This truck is
Ano yun? No?
What happened to the truck? It fell?
sleeping.
Huh?
Sleeping driver.
He can straight the truck.
No.
Kaya nga
No
yun
more.
ay...
No more. It gets stuck like that.
Has to be towed.
Oh, yeah.
Malambot si Gustav.
He gets stuck
May
like
kanal
that.
dyan. Hindi niya nakita. Tulong.
Probably when he parked.
Sleeping.